So I want to create an activity for math where my students actually get to manipulate, let's say, linking cubes. So I'm going to click the plus sign, assign activity. I'm going to create a new activity. And so this is math lesson 1, or grade 1, module 2, lesson 7. Ignore instructions until after you're done creating the template. And we're going to click on add template for student responses. And I created I got the original slides, or what will be the background for the students, from embark.online. And so I'm actually going to upload a Google slide. And I'm just going to search for it because I know what I titled it instead of waiting for it to load. I'm going to click on that one and hit select. Because it's uploading from Google Drive, it sometimes takes a little longer. Just note that you can have up to 20 pages in your Seesaw activity. And then you can start recording your voice if you need to read certain pages to your students. And then get to the page where you're going to add your manipulatives. So I need to have linking cubes for my students to model this expression. So I'm going to go to the internet. I'm just searching in Google for linking cubes. I'm going to take a screenshot or a snapshot of these two. So for me, I'm going to use the Seesaw extension. I can just use the snipping tool on a Windows device or Control-Shift-Window switcher on a Chromebook. So I'm going to click on the extension, select or capture selected area. I'm going to go a little to each end. Click away. It's huge. It immediately puts it in Seesaw because I had it open already. I'm just going to resize. Then I'm going to grab the other one. Seesaw extension, selected area. I will say I don't go right on the edge because I notice it doesn't necessarily snip it appropriately. So have a little extra. Make it small. Now, before I do anything, and I'd probably re-snip that because I see the black, I'm going to get rid of these links. And truthfully, Seesaw did this so that you're showing where you originally got it, but I can see that being confusing. So I'm going to click the 3 dots, hit link, hit the X. It's unlinked. Do the same for the green. Click link, hit the X to get rid of it, click away. So now I just want to layer, because the kids are making groups of 10. So I just kind of want to, it's going to be same as how Smart Notebook did this, and it's not as easy. So I'm going to select the one I want, hit Control C to copy, and then I'm going to hit Control V 9 times because I just want 10 total blue cubes. And then I just am going to layer them. Am I going to make it perfect? Probably not. Am I going to do my best? Absolutely. And then I would do the same thing for the green. And so when the students are working, they can actually move these linking cubes to represent 8 books for Peter and 5 books for Willie in different colors. And just kind of makes that model or that representation a little easier for the students. So when you're done preparing the template, that means I'm preparing the pages the students will have to work on. So let's act like I made, a total of 10 green cubes and layered them. I'm going to click the green check. I'm going to fill out my student instructions and be sure to use those Seesaw icon shortcuts. And then in more options under teacher notes, I really should be giving credit to Clip Art Library for linking cube images. And then I can tag it to a skill and assign it to my students once I click save. So that's how you can kind of insert those manipulative pieces within an activity in Seesaw. Let me know if you have any other questions.